Hey, what's up guys? I just thought I'd do a video and show you this t-shirt that I printed myself. So it's with white Plastisol ink. I cured it in the oven and this has been through the wash about 5 or 6 times. So I just thought I'd do a video and show you guys the outcome. Yeah, it hasn't cracked or washed out or anything like that, so pretty happy about that. Like I said, it's been through the wash about 5 or 6 times, and I'm going to do a video that goes into more depth about it. But what I do is I just get a laser thermometer and then I put it on about 200 degrees Celsius out of the oven, and then once it's heated up I put it on some tin foil, chuck it in the oven, and then I'll open the door and test or measure the temperature, and then I time it too, so the next time I know roughly how long I have to leave it in for, and it takes probably about 1 minute 45 I think to reach. You have to bring it to 320 degrees Fahrenheit. I like to go a bit over in the oven just to make sure. I think I brought this one up to about 330. But yeah, that's pretty much it.